welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing good. So today's video is going to be a very interesting video. Today I'm going to be trying out my friend's go-to Zomato order. Now we all have our own favorite Zomato orders, right? Like for me it would be Good Flipping Burgers, because whenever I feel like eating something from outside, I immediately go to Good Flipping Burgers and have a burger and fries and I'm good. So the first food that I'm going to be ordering today is from Taco Alfresco. So this has been suggested by my friend Archit, and he suggested me to go ahead and try the Taco Chipotle chicken with soft shell. I felt that because I'm having this for dinner, I also wanted a side, because I'm always someone who has something on the side as well. So I ordered the jalapeno poppers as well.
3 hours later.
Okay, so I have the parcel from Taco Alfresco. So I'm going to be trying out their Chipotle chicken taco, and I've also additionally ordered jalapeno poppers. So I'll try it out and let you know how it is. Looks really good and the smell is also way too good. I'm sorry if this is going to be like a messy eating session. Too good. I'm already a very big lover of Mexican food, तो टाको सुनते ही मैं खुश हो गई थी. एंड द टेस्ट इज ऑल्सो सो गुड. इसमें जो भी सॉसेस है दे गिविंग यू सच एन अमेजिंग फ्लेवर टुगेदर, एंड द चिकन इज ऑल्सो वेरी जूसी, वेरी टेंडर. सो all in all, I just loved how this tastes. So after a very messy eating session, I am going to be trying out the poppers. These are the jalapeno poppers. थोड़ा सा सॉगी हो गया है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई ऑर्डर्ड इट और आने में बहुत टाइम लगा. आई जेन्युइनली लव्ड द टाको. द टाको इज़ लाइक द बेस्ट थिंग. और जो मैंने खाया, दैट्स लाइक द बेस्ट थिंग दैट आई एवर हैड. पॉपर्स का व्हाट आई लव अबाउट इट इज़ दैट वो चीज़ पुल एंड एक्सट्रीम चीज़ नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ चीज़ लवर. तो फॉर मी these kind of poppers are really good. बहुत कम चीज़ है and it's very very tasty as well. It's just got soggy. Yeah, I had such an amazing experience trying the taco. This is definitely going to be on my list. I'm going to be ordering this again. Hi guys, it's another day. So the second recommendation for the day is by my friend Ellie. So she had recommended me the Mughlai grilled chicken bowl, specifically from the Good Bowl. Now I'm really excited by the name itself. Mughlai food is everyone's favorite, and plus grilled, and it's going to be a mix of omelette, rice and chicken curry. Okay, so my order is here from the Good Bowl. I have ordered some potato wedges. This is extra that I've done. And I have the Mughlai grilled chicken bowl. Now apparently this is one of her favorite bowls, so I'm very excited to try it out. Ketchup, and we have tikha chaska. I don't know what it is. Okay, so I have the bowl, I have the omelette, the rice, and then I have the grilled chicken inside. Pehle to I'll taste the omelette with the rice. It's too good. It's tasting very good. Actually very good. The vegetables, the chicken ka curry, the omelette is just adding on to the flavor. Honestly, I love this. Especially this is perfect for one person. So if you want to have a quick bowl, I think this one is a great option if you love Indian. One thing that I don't like a lot is potato wedges, क्योंकि बहुत soggy हो गए हैं. So I would suggest going only for the bowl because it's filling in itself. So I just had the bowl, and honestly I had such an amazing time having it. It was so good and fulfilling as well. So I would highly recommend trying out this bowl. So yeah, I genuinely enjoyed this recommendation. So thank you so much for recommending this, and I'll see you next time.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's been so long since I've filmed this video. The last time I did it was during winters, and then there was a lot of work that was going on because of which I couldn't shoot this video. And then I also ended up forgetting it in between, but I finally decided to resume it. So I am literally transitioning between seasons. Right now it's peak summer over here. So today would be, I guess, day 3 of trying out my friend's go to Zomato order. So today I'm going to be trying out from a place called as Subculture. This is recommended by my friend Piyush, who's my college friend. And he was like, any burger from Subculture is the best. And honestly, I've tried Subculture before, so I know that it's really good. I have tried their Mangalorean ghee roast before, and that is also the one he recommended, but he was like, try any burger, it's gonna go really well. So I was like, let me try something new this time. And the best part about this place is that they make their own bread, because of which it's super moist and fluffy. Now, not just that, the best part that I like about this place is that they actually focus a lot on giving you the best experience. So the bread is really fresh, it's very good, and then on top of that, the patty is also equally filling. Yeah, now I'm going to be placing my order in some time, and I'll see you then. Okay, my order is here from Subculture. एंड थोड़ा सा पैकेजिंग डिफरेंस भी है बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम आई हैड ऑर्डर्ड एंड तब अलग आया था. राइट नाउ कर्ली फ्राइज एक अलग पैकेट में आया है फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम, दैट फॉर माई सिस्टर एज वेल. सो आई फील कि क्वांटिटी वाइज थोड़ा सा उन्होंने कुछ चेंजेस किया है. आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर बट लेट्स चेक इट आउट. क्वाइट बिग. द बर्गर का साइज इज स्टिल द सेम. Let me try it out. I am trying out the lemon pepper chicken. It's really good. The taste is so good. Again, best part about this is आप देख सकते हो कितना filling है. The patty is also big. They haven't put like a lot of unnecessary sauces and tried to load the burger. Everything feels so fresh. People who don't like a lot of spicy burgers, I think this one is a great option to go ahead with. Spicy पसंद है तो peri peri chicken burger is definitely there. Also, इनके curly fries भी आते हैं. बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि क्रिस्पी है. यूजुअली जब दूसरे फास्ट फूड वाले आते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली कर्ली फ्राइज या कोई भी फ्राइज दे बिकम सॉगी, बट ओवर हियर इट्स वेरी क्रिस्पी. दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस प्लेस. सो ओवरऑल आई जेन्युइनली लव द बर्गर. आई एम गोना बी रेकमेंडिंग इट टू यू गाइस. सो डू चेक आउट सबकल्चर का कोई भी बर्गर उठा लो, बट दिस लेमन पेपर चिकन इज ऑल्सो रियली गुड. Hi guys, it's another day. Today I believe is day 4 of trying out my friend's go to Zomato order, and I'm going to be trying out a new place recommended by my friend Sakshi. So she's my college friend, and when I asked her about this place, she was like, I should try out Yokoso the Bakehouse, which has like the best Japanese cheesecake ever, is what she mentioned. Now I'll be very honest that I'm not a big cheesecake fan, as in I do enjoy it, but I find it to be a little bit sweet, because of which I don't have it a lot. And any which ways I do not have like a sweet tooth, so I'm not very into sweets and desserts a lot. And it would also be a great break from all of the other places that we're trying. I thought we need to inculcate some dessert option as well. Okay, so I have the parcel over here. This is from Yokoso the Bakehouse, which is in Balewadi, I believe. And now I'm going to be trying out their Japanese cheesecake. Now, what I really like about this cheesecake is it is very moist, and it's like very buttery smooth. The taste is also good. This is not overly sweet as well, so it is not something that's overpowering. Like usually you can't have a lot of cheesecake because it's very sweet. If you are a cheesecake lover, I'm sure you're gonna love it, because my friend has a lot of good things to say about this place. Now I'm gonna ask my sister. She's also had like twice or thrice, I believe, cheesecake. Let's see what she has to say.
It's nice.
That's it.
No, it's nice. It's very moist.
we are the wrong people to review it because we usually don't have like a lot of cheesecakes. But मुझे तो ये बहुत पसंद आया क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा soft है and it's not very sweet, like overly sweet तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. And if you are a fan of Japanese cheesecake, then I'm sure you're gonna love this place. Thank you so much, Sakshi, for the recommendation. Hello and welcome back. Today is day 5 and this is going to be the last order that I'm going to be trying out. So this is today's order. Today I have ordered waffles from the Belgian Waffle. So this is recommended by my friend Arya, who's again a college friend, and she told me to try out the Belgian Duck Waffle. And I'm super excited. I'm not again very big on waffles, but I'm really excited to try it out. So yeah. Ooh, this is gonna be like super messy, I believe. You can see the waffle. Now I'm gonna be trying it out. Let me try it out. Oh my god, so good. Oh my god, this is like very tasty. Again, as I told you that I'm not a very big waffle person, but I think I am surprised by myself. Like मुझे पहले ही बाइट में इतना पसंद आ गया. I'm just waiting to switch off the video and just have पूरा waffle एक साथ. It's so tasty. और by the way, you also get like a healthy option in this. अगर तुमको almond flour में चाहिए, so you get that option as well. मैंने regular one ही try out किया and it's honestly super tasty. So this is her go-to Zomato order and I believe this is going to be my go-to dessert whenever I feel like having something very sweet but comforting. I think this is the meal. I think Belgian waffle सब लोग try कर चुके हैं, but if you have not especially tried this one, then this is your sign to do it. This so good. Thank you so much, Arya, for this recommendation. I'm going to be ordering this again. Okay, so with that, we also come towards an end to today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this sequence. Again, I'm really sorry. It's like a very long video and I took a lot of time to finally end this. But finally, I have completed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've loved this video, please do let me know. I tried something new. I want to know if you want me to try more such concepts like these. So thank you so much for watching, and you know the drill. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in a new video. Till then, bye bye.